Okay, to continue, we look at testing. So I will just quickly, under testing, I will just insert here. I will insert this, and this I will just put testing and commissioning. So first thing here is PSSR. PSSR. The next thing is commissioning. Commissioning of the noise. So the next one is the mobbing. I'll put housekeeping. Next one I'll put as viewed drawing. And next one, sorry, there's a mistake here. I just need to copy this one and paste it here. And however, under here, let me just take the first one so that it will pick. Let's say housekeeping. This is demobilization. Let's say demob and closure 1000. Okay, so I just delete this. These are to delete. Then I will move this to this. Then for this one, I will change it to 10, and here I will just copy this. There's actually a mistake, that's what I'm trying to correct. Commissioning of lines. Okay, so here we have housekeeping first. And let me just delete it. I press delete from the keyboard this time around and it goes off. Okay, so I can start. So under here now have as view drawing. Under here now have demo equipment. Under here now have demo personnel. Finally, I will now have handover, and this is just strictly how to create the activity.